All right. Hi, YouTube. So this is my 2001 GMC Sierra 2500. It's got the Duramax 6.6. It's old, it's rusty, but it's my truck. And I just figured I'd start making some videos on it. This is different because normally I actually don't get behind the camera. I'm usually the one filming and stuff like that. So this is different. It's gonna be fun, I guess. It'll be a fun experiment. So the truck is completely stock, and unfortunately I didn't film anything, but I just had to get the transmission changed. I had the transfer case done again, the drive shaft done again, so that was a pretty penny. And yeah, so I decided after doing all that and selling my SRT Jeep to basically pay for it, because I didn't drive the Jeep. So as you can see from the inside and the outside, it's a little rough. So for now, I think I'm going to do some wheels and tires. Gotta level it. I'm also probably going to try to get a tune, an exhaust, obviously the intake. That's kind of what everybody ends up doing. But finally got a hold of the leveling kit. I went with a Kryptonite 3-inch or stage 3 leveling kit. I went with the Bilsteins because I really don't need the Fox shocks. I'm not, jumping the truck or anything. I got the adjusters, the Campbells. I got basically a lot of the stuff that I would need because the truck is pretty old. It's got like 200 and something thousand miles. Kryptonite. These are probably the keys. Yep, cool. So we'll take a look at that, and there we go. So we got a bunch of the stuff, the control arms. For some reason I thought they'd be bigger, but yeah, neat. We'll see how it comes out, and hopefully I have my new wheels and tires.